Daddy Bay natin sila. Keep supporting Daddy Bay all the way. Dalawang araw ko walang tulog. Hello, May. Hello. How are you? Nakapanood ko ng movie for you. English.
Which spot in London are you excited to see?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Stay for one day.
Oh, really?
Uy, papicture naman tayo sa tart.
Oo nga pala. Uy! Talagang one day.
It's really cold in here.
Really?
Yeah. Really cold. You have to be cold.
So, when Alan's coming, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah. It's Southern coming that's gonna be hot.
The famous Maine is here in London.
Mama, may picture mo naman.
Men, enjoy ah!
Southampton pa ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Okay, Alda made it with Maine. Ang mga pambansang lola nandiyan dyan.
Lola.
Kala ko po wala na. Masusunod ko lang. Hindi aga-aga.
Natantay kami ito.
Oo, dito kami natulog para sa'yo. May duty pa. May duty pa kami. Oh, enjoy ah. Enjoy Maine ah.
Isa pa tayo.
Enjoy kayo ha. Ay,
Yeah, it's okay.
nakapagpahinga ka ba?
Asset London ka na rin.
Sige po, salamat.
Salamat.
Una na po.
Enjoy London.
Okay, Maine. Bye.
Enjoy me.
Yes, bye.
Hello naman sa Alda Maiden Team England.
Hello po, Alda Bay in England.
Tsaka Daddy Bay natin.
And Daddy Bay natin.
Team no.